Hi there, students. Quidam. This is a nobody, a person of no importance, someone who hasn't been identified, an unspecified person or an inconsequential person. This is often used as a legal word as well. It's a Latin word used to express somebody who can't be named, someone, somebody, an unknown person. They arrested Mr. Rupert Simmons and they had warrants to arrest 4 other Quidams who were his accomplices. So they don't know who those people are. This comes from Latin, a certain one, a somebody, and it refers to an unspecified person or nobody. You can use it to describe somebody of no importance or as a word for an unknown individual. So a Quidam, a person who, some Quidam has stolen my bike. So there were many Quidams in the crowd, but none of them stood out. The author described the mysterious figure as a Quidam. In the opera, a Quidam sang a hauntingly beautiful solo. So an unnamed person, an unspecified person, an inconsequential person. While asleep, he had a dream in which a Quidam approached him and asked him to sing. Okay, so somebody who he didn't know. Quidam, an unknown person, a person who whose identity is not known or is intentionally omitted as well. A mysterious Quidam visited the library last night and left with several books. A Quidam raided the fridge last night and all the cake has gone. Nobody knew the Quidam who saved the day. He disappeared into the crowd as quickly as he had arrived. The detective's interest was piqued by the enigmatic Quidam seen lurking near the entrance to the building. Every Quidam has a story to tell, even those who walk by us every day without name. Okay, so a Quidam, a person who is nameless, somebody who either we don't know the name or we want to keep it hidden. We observed an enigmatic Quidam in the security footage, but nobody knew who he was. Anyone who knows that certain Quidams have done such a thing are advised to come forward. The novelist described his main character merely as a Quidam, a random person living in the city. So I think especially in French, a man in the street, a person whose name you don't know. The Quidam approached the group with caution. Mary felt like a Quidam amongst the popular kids at school. The detective questioned every Quidam in the room. The Quidam's sudden disappearance left everyone puzzled. One Quidam shouted at the speaker from the back of the hall. The play's protagonist resembled a Quidam from a distant land. The village was visited by a Quidam claiming to possess magical powers. So a nobody, some random person, some faceless passerby, some stranger, somebody of no particular importance. It's risky to invite quidams from the audience, nameless strangers, onto the stage. Okay, so a quidam, a person, a random person. The quidam's true identity was revealed in the final act. She described the attacker as a quidam with a scar on his left cheek. So this, as I said, it comes from Latin quidam, someone, a certain one, some person, something. So quidam, it's not very common. I'd give this a low frequency. What about formality? I think maybe I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. So it's something reasonably formal. Semi-formal conversation and above. Semi-formal writing, something formal. So quidam. Bye for now.